All right, guys. So 7a, this is 8.4, pre-calculus 30. So determine the value of x, round your answers to 2 decimal places. So we have 2 powers here equaling each other with different bases, and bases that can't really be easily written with the same base. 2 powers that can't be written with the same base. So that's when we're going to take the log here. So the log of 7 to the power of 2x, take the log of both sides, log of 2 to the x plus 3. Now the exponent law in logs says that this exponent, whatever it is, can come down as a coefficient in front, which is why we take the log, because we want to liberate the variable from the exponent position. So this becomes 2x log 7. This becomes x plus 3 times log 2. So we've got the x down out of the exponent position. That's great. We brought that down. And now what we want to do is we want to try and figure out how to get the x's together and isolate for x. So we'll bring the terms together. So 2x log 7. I'll leave that one alone. If I distribute this, this is going to be x log 2 plus 3 log 2. Right? And so now I have the x's, the x terms all separated, so I'm going to bring these two together, this one and this one. So I'm going to go 2x log 7 minus x log 2. And then this, I can bring this 3 up there to make this a log of 2 cubed, right? Which just maybe simplifies things just a little bit. Now, here's where you need to factor the x out of each of these 2 separate terms. So I have 2 terms subtracted. So now you can take the x and bring it out as a factor. And then that's going to help kind of isolate for x. So what's left over is log 7 minus log 2 equals log of 8 over here. And then one final step is, well, a couple things you could do, I guess. Now you could put this 2 up here, right, as a squared. And then you want to divide both sides now by log of 7 squared is 49 minus log of 2. Then these will cancel out, and that's this value is what your x is going to equal. So if it says to a decimal place, to 2 decimal places, so we'll just do that on our calculator, and we should get the right answer here. So let's just double check that here. So log 8, oops, put that, log 8, close the brackets there, divided by, all these brackets here, log 49 minus log 2. Okay. 0.65. X equals 0.65. So let's just double check that answer. So about 0.65 is correct. Okay, does that help? And again, if you don't put this, if you write this as 7 squared or even 2 log 7, that's totally fine. It's, you know, we're doing it on the calculator anyways, so you can leave those like that if you want. This just kind of gets it a little simpler. Okay. Anything else then from 8.4, or is that good for now, or anything else?